Buongiorno a tutti! Thanks for joining me again in my little kitchen here in Lecce in the south of Italy. My name is Francesco and today I'm going to make a Sicilian sandwich which we call pane conzato. Basically that translates into Italian as pane condito, which would mean bread that has been dressed up. So what this traditionally is, you would take your bread straight from the oven when it's crispy on the outside and steaming hot inside, split it down the middle and just drizzle it with olive oil, add some salt and pepper and eat it as is. That's already fantastic. To make it even more delicious, you could add some anchovies and some oregano. It's also fantastic. And of course, as time went by, people had more money, they had more things available, and you would put any other fillings into it and it would become a sandwich. So what I'm going to do, the other thing that you can do, is to take your stale bread, rebake it so it becomes crispy on the outside and soft on the inside. Add the olive oil. I'm going to add anchovies. I'm going to add some eggplant to mine, some tomato and some rucola because I'm making a video. I want it to look prettier. I'm going to add a couple of olives, some oregano. That's it. It's going to be a super delicious, simple and very traditional Sicilian sandwich. So I hope you like this recipe. If you do, please give me a thumbs up, click on the link below and subscribe to the channel and come back and follow me for more. Let's cook. For today's recipe you are going to need some stale, crusty, rustic bread, green olives, oregano, anchovies, eggplant, tomatoes, rucola, and some good extra virgin olive oil.